AMX-10RC is a modern wheeled reconnaissance vehicle of French origin. It was developed in the early 1970s by Giat and Renault. The objective of development was to supplement and eventually replace the AML-90 reconnaissance vehicle in French service. Originally 525 vehicles were required, but this number was reduced to 337. Although the AMX-10RC is a wheeled vehicle and differs enormously from the tracked AMX-10P mechanized infantry combat vehicle, both vehicles share a lot of automotive components. This machine is known for its firepower, protection, and very good mobility. Due to recent upgrades, the AMX-10RC can remain in service in years to come. Recently, these armor cars are supplied to Ukraine. Unlike its role as an armored reconnaissance vehicle in the French armed forces, the AMX-10RC will serve as an anti-tank system for Ukrainian troops. This is due to its 105mm gun, which is equivalent to the gun mounted on the Leopard 1 tank. The main armament is a full-pressure rifled 105mm f248 caliber cannon, which fires French ammunition rather than the NATO standard. The gun is not stabilized, manually loaded, and used in conjunction with a laser rangefinder. It is one of the major drawbacks of this vehicle that in order to engage the target it must be stopped. In terms of engagement, all combat vehicles except the latest generation of main battle tanks may be engaged. A 7.62mm machine gun is fitted as a coaxial weapon. A second gun is often pintle mounted on the roof for self-protection. The aluminum armor protects the AMX-10RC from small arms fire and shell splinters. This level of protection is standard for a vehicle in this role, and a higher level of protection would come at the cost of decreased mobility. An NBC system is fitted as standard, as well as smoke grenade dischargers. The modernized AMX-10RC in French service are fitted with additional armor and the Galax self-defense system. Some vehicles are also fitted with missile decoy systems. The AMX-10RC is known for its good mobility, which is also required for a reconnaissance vehicle. Due to the 6 large wheels and all-wheel drive, it can achieve a good speed, both on roads and off-road. Despite its size and weight, this machine is fully amphibious and is propelled in the water by 2 water jets. A 260 horsepower diesel engine provides propulsion to achieve the maximum road speed of 85 km per hour and a range of 1,000 km without refueling. Although this vehicle is not designed to engage main battle tanks directly, its firepower can still pose a threat to older or less advanced tanks, such as the Soviet-era T-72 and T-80. Depending on the specific variant and armor configuration of the T-72 and T-80, the 105mm F2 gun might be able to penetrate the tank's side or rear armor, especially when firing AP rounds. However, penetrating the frontal armor would be more challenging due to its increased thickness and the use of composite materials. The 105mm heat rounds can also be an advantage against the T-72 and T-80, as these rounds can inflict damage through their shaped charge effect, regardless of the armor thickness. However, the effectiveness of heat rounds can be reduced by reactive armor or other countermeasures, which are present on some variants of the Russian tanks.